Hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and upload videos about work from home stuff, personal finance, and snippets into my daily life. But for today's video, another utang na usapan na naman. And disclaimer lang po, I am not a financial advisor and the content that I share in this channel is based on my personal experience and opinion. So it's still recommended that you do your own research if may bala ka man na mag-avail sa mga online loan apps na i-feature ko sa channel na ito. Anyway, if you're a GCash user already, bakit ka pa maghahanap ng mauutangan na online lending app somewhere else kung pwede ka namang umutang dito sa GCash mismo? Now, I'm not sure if you're not yet aware, pero GCash actually has borrow features, and under that tab, meron tatlong options. There's GLoan kung saan pwede kang umutang ng cash and diretso na yan, papasok na yan sa GCash wallet mo. So it's cash, you can withdraw it, you can cash it out, and magamit mo sa kung ano man ang kailangan mong gamitan. Second ay yung GGives. Para siyang installment, buy now, pay later ang peg niya, kagaya ni Atomy. And home credit, for example. So, ang GGives naman, magagamit mo siya to purchase like appliances, for example. And then, ang third na option niya ay yung GCredit, which is parang credit line mo kay GCash. And hindi siya masyadong malaki compared to GLoan and GGives. Pero pwede na rin, magagamit mo siya for purchases, for your groceries, for example, and stuff like that. So yes, yun ang tatlong offers na binibigay ni GCash. Depende po yan sa eligibility ninyo. Now, how do you qualify for it? First and foremost, there's a G-score na naka-assign sa atin for every GCash user. Now, though GCash did not disclose kung magkano ang kailangan mo na G-score para maging eligible ka for those loan features niya. Based on what I have read sa mga users, normally, target mo dapat nasa 600 yung G-score mo para bigyan ka ng offer ni GCash. But then again, your G-score is not going to be the main reference or qualifier para ka ma-offeran ng GLoan or GGives. They will also factor in your transaction history kay GCash, like gaano mo siya kadalas gamitin, gaano mo siya kadalas gamitin for payments, bill payments, and things like that. So all of those things, fina-factor in niya. Kasama na doon yung G-score mo. So what works for one person may not automatically work for you. Like kung 600 yung G-score ko and then I got approved and then you got 600 for your G-score pero hindi ka na-approve, maybe because hindi mo siya gaanong ginagamit. Like you don't do business, you don't pay bills using GCash, and in my case, I do. So yun lang. Just make sure that you keep your account active. When I say keep it active, use it as much as you can. Like you can transfer money to your GCash account, and then you can also take advantage of their save up option sa GCash kasi malaki din naman yung interest na binibigay nila. So those things can actually help you qualify for the GCash Borrow features. So yun lang. Now, in a nutshell, let's talk about the pros and cons. Now, very obvious naman ito. Ang pros niya, basically, it's very convenient, it's fast, no paperwork needed. Like, if you're already a GCash user, automatic na mag-a-appear or magre-reflect yun sa borrow na tab ni GCash. So, wala ka na kailangan gawin. Sa GCash na mismo ang mag-o-offer sa iyo. However, on the con side naman, syempre, it's slightly or it's definitely higher ang interest ng mga loans niya compared to that of a regular bank. I mean, expected naman yun sa mga ganitong klase na app eh. They're really they do charge higher interest compared to traditional banks. And another thing that I'd like to point out is hindi siya like reliable all the time. Why am I saying this? Because GLoan, for example, let's say I got an offer for dati 25,000 yung nakalagay sa akin. But since hindi ko naman siya ginamit, hindi ko naman siya kailangan, they updated it and naging 10,000 na lang yung GLoan na offer for me. And then after that, parang ginamit ko siya just so that there's an activity. But I paid it early before it was already due. Like, binayaran ko lang buo. So instead na I had like 10,000 na GLoan limit, binaba na naman niya to like 5,000 or something. So, hindi ko na siya pinansin. I was like, okay. So, parang I'm not confident na maaasahan ko siya whenever I need it kasi nga nagbabago siya every now and then. So, the reason again why I'm talking about this feature now ay kasi nagulat ako when I checked, naging 50,000 naman yung offer sa akin for GLoan and for GGives. Tapos, yung GCredit ko, I think nasa around 10,000. So, yun lang. That's the downside. Hindi ka guaranteed na it's going to be like 50,000 all the time. Kasi nga, they would continuously update it. Same thing with the G-score. Depende sa usage mo ng GCash na app, they would also update your G-score from time to time. So, dati umabot na lang like 700 something yung G-score ko. Ngayon, when I checked, mababa na lang. Nasa siguro 500 something. But still, I got an offer for like 50,000 for my GLoan and for my GGives. It's good if I really need the money and 50,000 is there for me to take it, diba? So, yeah. Okay, now, pakita ko lang ha. Ito yung fees associated with GLoan. Sample lang. So here you can see, it says I can borrow up to 50,000 pesos. Tapos, ang sabi dito, payable daw siya in 6 to 18 months. And then, ang interest rate niya ay 2.49% monthly. And then, yung processing fee niya ay 3%. Actually, medyo malaki yung processing fee na 3%. So, try natin ha. Get started. Just so magka-idea kayo. So, enter loan amount. Sagad na natin si 50,000 dito. Wait. Done. And then, for the installment plan, pinili ko. Actually, I cannot choose. Automatic na siya. Sa installment plan, automatic na siya na 18 months ang nakalagay. And then for 18 months with 2.49% interest monthly, ang babayaran ko ay 4,022 pesos and 78 cents. Medyo mabigat, diba? And then select your purpose of loan. Lagay ko na lang dito general expenses. So, ang total amount to receive is only 48,500 kasi nga mayroong 3% na processing fee. Ayan. So, kung okay lang sa inyo ito, 4,000. For me, malaki siya actually. So, 4,022.78 times 18. So, ang total na babayaran mo, ang repayment mo ay 72,410 pesos and 4 cents. Alright. So, yun. But, hindi ko naman siya kukunin. I will not be accepting this offer. Hindi ko itutuloy ang pag-loan kasi wala naman akong paggagamitan yan. And isa pa, napakabigat niya for me. So, just wanted to show that to you. Anyway, yun lang. That's basically GCash Borrow Feature in 2025. So, kung may experience ka with the GCash Borrow Features, either GLoan or GGives or GCredit, let us know in the comment section para naman makatulong sa iba. Let us know your experience. I'd love to know kung okay ba ang naging experience nyo sa GCash. And that is basically it. Thank you so much for staying and watching this video. And if you're still watching, then please consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you again for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.